हेलो गाइस, आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल फन विथ फार्मेसी में। चलिए गाइस, देखते हैं अपना अगला टॉपिक, मेथड ऑफ मिनिमाइजिंग एरर्स। एज वी नो, द एरर इज indifferentiate पार्ट ऑफ एनी एनालिटिकल ऑपरेशन। एनालिस्ट ट्राई हिज बेस्ट टू मिनिमाइज द एरर एज मच एज पॉसिबल। मतलब जो भी कैलिब्रेशन या कुछ भी करता हो, वो अपना बेस्ट देता है कि उसको एरर ना मिले। एरर कैन बी मिनिमाइज्ड बाय अप्लाइंग फॉलोइंग मेथड ड्यूरिंग एनालिसिस। अपने एरर को कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, ये आज हम देखेंगे। पहला है प्रॉपर कैलिब्रेशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट apparatus एंड अप्लाइंग करेक्शन। बाय कैलिब्रेशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाइक QV, spectrophotometer, pH meter, potentiometer, etc., and glassware like burette, measuring cylinder, etc., before performing analysis, one can eliminate error to very much extent. Errors can be minimized by applying necessary correction if the source of error is known. अगर अपने को सोर्स ऑफ एरर पता हो तो अपने उसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। अगर सोर्स ऑफ एरर नहीं पता हो तो अपने रिड्यूस कैसे करेंगे उससे। दूसरा है बाय रनिंग कंट्रोल डिटर्मिनेशन। बाय रनिंग कंट्रोल डिटर्मिनेशन पैरेलली to sample by taking standard under same experimental condition, the error can be reduced at very possible extent. However, standard solution contains same weight of the constituent present in unknown sample. The weight of constituent of unknown sample can be calculated as follows. Result for standard upon result for unknown is equals to weight of constituent in standard upon x, where x is equals to weight of constituent in अननोन सैम्पल। ये आप देख सकते हैं, इसका फॉर्मूला है, इससे भी मेथड ऑफ एरर निकल सकता है। अभी अगला है अपना बाय रनिंग ब्लैंक डिटर्मिनेशन। ब्लैंक डिटर्मिनेशन इज द डिटर्मिनेशन अंडर सेम एक्सपेरिमेंटल कंडीशन विच आर यूज फॉर सेम एनालिसिस बट इन केस द सैम्पल इज एक्सक्लूडेड। द एम ऑफ ब्लैंक डिटर्मिनेशन इज नो द इफेक्ट ऑफ impurities introduced by the reagent on results. From the readings obtained from the black determination, one can eliminate the error at very much extent by comparing result of independent mode. In that case, the analysis of same sample by totally different method is performed and the result obtained from both methods are compared. If they are identical, then they are considered as reliable. For example, determination of strength of HCl solution is performed by titration and with standard NaOH, and also by precipitation titration method with analytical as AgCl2, and result obtained from both method are compared. Another example is of hardness of water. In this case, the concentration of magnesium and calcium is determined by both atomic absorption spectroscopy and EDTA titration, and results are compared. अगला है अपना बाय यूजिंग स्टैंडर्ड एडिशन। इन दिस मेथड, small amount of standard of constituent present in sample is added and sample is analyzed for the total amount of constituent present. The difference in the result for sample with and without added standard is calculated. Satisfactory recovery gives the confidence of accuracy of result. By using internal standard, in this method the fixed amount of reference material is added to a series of known concentration of material to be analyzed. The ratio of value obtained for the internal standard and series of known concentration are plotted against concentration on a graph which gives a straight line. Small amount of internal standard is then added to the unknown concentration and determined by the same method, and ratio obtained is plotted on the graph to calculate exact concentration. अभी अपना अगला टॉपिक है एक्यूरेसी। द टर्म एक्यूरेसी रिफर्स टू द concordance between the measured value and true value, or in other word it refers how much close the measured value is to the true value. मतलब आपका जो measured value है वो true value से कितना पास है ना, ये अपने एक्यूरेसी बताता है। इट ऑल्सो रिफर्स एज करेक्टनेस और मेजरमेंट, मतलब कितना करेक्ट आपका मेजरमेंट है, ये अपना एक्यूरेसी बताता है। इन रिलेशन ऑफ एरर, एक्यूरेसी इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इट। आप देख सकते हैं एक्यूरेसी इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय एरर। फॉर एनालिटिकल मेथड, एक्यूरेसी कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय 2 मेथड। इसकी 2 मेथड आती है। पहली है एब्सोल्यूट मेथड, दूसरी है कंपैरेटिव मेथड। इन दिस मेथड the analysis is carried out by specific method on the standard sample of high purity, which can be obtained from a standard source or synthesized by analysts in laboratory, which with rigorous purification and value of result are noted down. Using same method, the analysis of same sample is carried out, but this time possibly interface are added to the sample and value of result are noted down. From the values obtained from the standard and standard sample with added interference, the accuracy of the method in the absence and presence of interference can be determined. दूसरा method है comparative method. Comparative method is useful when primary standard and unavailable and impossible to prepare in laboratory by analyst, that is mineral or alloy etc. In that case, result from a standard source with same method is corrected to get confidence of accuracy. Sometimes secondary standard are used for analysis. Another approach include two fundamental different methods are employed in analysis of same sample and their results are correlated for accuracy determination. Thank you guys for watching.